Maybe. We are tracking this low pressure system just off the coast. That is what is creating those cooler temperatures today and over the next few days. However, we are still very dry and those temperatures still above average for this time of year. So because of those high temperatures that we have been experiencing, the snow on the higher elevations of the Sierras is melting. So the National Weather Service has issued an aerial flood watch for areas in Lake Isabella as well as Tehachapi. So that snow melting is causing the water levels to rise. Something to be aware of. Just know that those rivers in those areas are swift, fast currents, and they are extremely cold, dangerous conditions there. Not a good idea to go in them. Taking a look though, jumping ahead to Sunday, we are tracking this system that could bring scattered showers to the county late Sunday night with some lingering showers in those early morning hours on Sunday. Looks like things will clear up slightly Monday afternoon, but we are still tracking the possibility of thunderstorms across the county Monday afternoon, but conditions look like they will clear up by Monday night with some lingering cloud cover in our mountain communities and the valley. But for now, dry conditions, and we are going to see those cooler temperatures. Breezy today here in the valley in those 90s, cooling down to those 80s on Sunday, then those 70s return. However, then we start warming back up headed into the work week. And we'll see high temperatures next weekend. In the Kern River Valley, we are looking at a high of 84 today, cooling back down to those low 80s tomorrow. Then those 70s return for your midweek. Tehachapi, we're looking Tehachapi and Fraser Park, mid 70s today, cooling down to those low 70s tomorrow. Then we're looking at those 60s returning for the beginning of your week, headed into the work week, and then we see those temperatures warm back up.
So it looks like we have to start getting used to this warming trend. Just get used to it.
Yeah, Mother Nature's having a little bit of mercy on us over the next few days, but still in those 90s today.
All right, Emma.
Get ready, Tori.
All right, well, coming up.